Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we'll take you inside our factory to show you how EPS Silo Bags are made. Each bag is precisely cut and sewn to ensure a strong structure and high load-bearing capacity, making it ideal for storing and transporting EPS raw materials. We pay close attention to every step of the production process to ensure consistent quality from our factory to your hands. If you have any needs or inquiries, feel free to contact us. Custom sizes are available to suit different applications. See you in the next video.